go. Why people, welcome back to Cook and Vibe. Yeah man, I feel like there's a concept today, it's a drive-in thing today, you understand? Yeah man, so you don't know, today people, we are doing bonnet patty. Yeah, we're gonna try and cook this patty on the bonnet. That's right, you know the style already, you get me? So before we go any further, my name is M.R, that's Connect 4 Entertainment, and we are Cook and Vibe, and we are like the craziest cooks in the UK, you get me? And we always do it Caribbean style. So today, I've managed to get myself a juicy patty. These are an authentic brand from Jamaica, very authentic brand, right? I said, let me go Asda to get a patty. And I bought the whole box. Very, very authentic patties, juicy. I'd recommend getting these from Asda's. So, but, yeah, we're gonna warm ours up. It's an oven thing. There is nothing on here that says you can put it in a microwave. Yes, this cannot be heated up in a microwave. It's a patty, we don't want to ruin it. It's a proper patty, we don't want to ruin it. Bonnet. Why I? Yeah. You don't know people. We had to try something different, man. We are never ever gonna run out of ways to cook. This is our oven today. That's our oven today, people. Right, so what we're gonna do, got the juicy beef patty inside here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. So, I reckon about there should be alright. I reckon that should get hot enough there. We got a 45-minute drive, people, right? There's a 45-minute drive, so we're gonna maybe like check it halfway. You know what I'm saying? So let's put the lid on close the oven door. Yeah. I think that's done. Yeah. Let's go, people. Give it. What should we say? Let's give it 20 minutes. Let's give it 20 minutes, and then we're gonna check it. We're gonna pull over and see what I've got.
How many likes for this one?
Ah, come on, man. I'm fed up with these little likes, man. Look, can we have a bag? Let's start. I don't want to push it too far. Can we at least get 1,000 likes on this, please? Thank you. Why? Stop to get some petrol. Warming up. She's warming up. I don't think this is gonna work, man. I see some mad thing online. That's where most of our ideas come from anyway. But what I'm hoping is some real nice flakiness in the oven. We're looking at about 180 degrees in there at the moment. We're gonna go up to 200 degrees, but I don't want to go to 220 degrees, otherwise we are gonna have burnt patty. You see? Comment yes or no. Now, before we get to it, comment yes or no if you're gonna sit, and then so we see at the end of it who's right and who's wrong. And also, comment if you think it's gonna mash it up or it's gonna come out nice and flaky like we want it to. Juicy patty, bonnet style. Why? We're fueled up, we're ready to go. That was our cooking oil. You see the petrol? That's the cooking oil. The bonnet is the oven. Oil. purposes only. Don't do this at home. Right. Let's have a look. Let's have a look, people. Oh, I can smell it. I can smell it. I don't know, it don't feel that hot yet. Don't feel that hot yet. Try it. Try it.
Can you feel it?
Or should we give it longer?
Yeah.
Give it longer?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, let's give it longer. Let's put it back. It feels hot. I don't think it's quite done yet. Alright, so we put it here. We might get more heat here. You get me? So let's have a go here, see if we get a bit more heat here. Don't get me wrong, it was definitely warm, but whether it's warm enough like the patty to be flaky and nice inside, not sure yet. Don't want to ruin it. Why are you? Can't buy it. Why are you, people? Hey, listen, you got 10 seconds to press the like button. You got 10 seconds to press the like button. If you don't press it, then you can have bad luck, bad karma for the next 33 years. Yeah, you done know, man. Big up section. Yeah, so I see a couple of people getting on to me about the last episode, the octopus episode. Alright, so big up TN space R. That's your name on YouTube. Big up yourself, my G. Man said not sure if that was Kraken or Davy Jones of Pirates of the Caribbean head. You just yam. He said, if you big up your thing, we want to see you eat the whole plate, not eat just a little nibble and say both it nice. I hear ya. So personally, I would have opted for the Portland jerk seasoning on the barbecue. I hear you, but we was going for the watermelon style. I didn't want to, but in future, that'll definitely be the way forward. And the next person we are going to big up is Cardiac Kit. They said your brain may be saying yes, but your facial expressions is saying no. Hey, listen, when I watched back that episode, like, gonna be honest with you, the octopus weren't bad tasting, the texture weren't the best. If you're not a good texture person, then it's, yeah, I hear you, but look, I'm gonna be honest, wasn't that bad, but my face did look awkward, because I'm laughing. When I watched it back, I was laughing at myself. So yeah, but I big up you guys, man. You get me? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.
Want to subscribe, man?
You want them more?
Them get a drink, yeah. Yeah, want to subscribe to me. For the human too. Tune in for the human too.
We are Cook and Vibe, another crazy one. Next week, we are going to be in Camden. One of the days next week, keep checking our socials to find out what day we are going to be doing a challenge with the public in Camden next week. Next week's going to be a mad thing. Why, I love you lot, man. Stay blessed. Have a blessed Sunday. One love. This brother with these ideas, people. Can we all have a little chat with him in the comments, please? And just chill out with his ideas. The Shaq, wicked idea. Got carried away. Now look what's going on in here. Who does this, bruv? Who buys traffic lights? You got traffic lights in the back of the car. You know, Tingo and Connect for Entertainment, M.R, Cook and Vibe. Do you have a look at the plate? Do you have a look at it? Definitely hotter down there. Right. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment and all them good stuff, people. You know, like just talking stuff while I'm trying to get it open because it's getting a little bit awkward. You know, on them awkward moments there where there's not much to say. Try to concentrate. We wrap this up really well. But it's warm. As I'm getting further down, it's actually like the actual patty is feeling more warmer. There we go. There we go.
I can smell it.
You can tell by the colour of it, bro. Patty. I can't believe that work. Don't get me wrong. It's not piping hot. It's definitely warm and good to eat. Where's it going, man? Jamaican patty on the car bonnet. That's how you got to do it sometimes. Sometimes you got to eat on the go. Sometimes you don't got time to oven. Sometimes you ain't got time to stick underground. Sometimes you ain't got a shovel. I'll put it on car bonnet. Why I?